Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sammy B and this is my Solara. Today I'm going to be giving you an update because one of my favorite and most loyal subscribers, and you know who you are, requested this video. So I thought, why not just make it for you right now? So today I'm going to give you an update on my Solara. It's a 1999 Toyota Solara. I've had this car for... Wait, what? No. Holy shit. I'll have this car for 9 years as of this June 2021. Holy crap. That's a very long-term relationship, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, as you guys know, and you probably watched my old videos, this is the best car that I've ever owned. It's also the only car I've ever owned. I honestly can't say enough good things. Knock on wood, it's never let me down. It is the most indestructible, strong, reliable, fucking nice car you will ever get. I mean, I didn't need to take a loan out or anything for it. I bought it out of like my cash when I was graduating high school. It is the best car. Honestly, the best car. I will never part with her. She is actually my best friend. I'm weird, but that's why you watch these videos, right? Let's give you a little bit of an update. Why do my eyes water every time I start to make videos? Like, just so happy to see you guys. Okay, calm down. I'd say the maintenance that I've done on this vehicle is pretty standard and minimal. You know, like oil changes. I think I've had to replace my clutch, but I mean, it's pretty old, so there's that. I did rebuild the engine, but that was just for my interest. It didn't need to be rebuilt. If you haven't watched that video, which you have, right? Actually, there's a whole series on my engine overhaul. Go check that video out. And that was honestly just for my mechanic knowledge. I didn't want to go to school for mechanics, but I decided, hey, what better way to learn than to just tear my own engine apart and rebuild it. I learned a lot, not gonna lie. So if you guys have any questions on that, go check out that video or leave comments below. As you can maybe see down there, can you see it? There's a cord running to my car. Why, you may ask? Well, did you go and watch that boring ass how to make a bird feeder pumpkin video that I posted like a couple weeks or month ago? Well, let me tell you. I parked my car roughly in this area right here, and I put the pumpkin right there. What do you think happened? A goddamn mouse infestation. I've never had mouse in my car. I've never had this problem happen to me. It was honestly a shattering experience because I treat my car like she's my best friend because she is my best friend. She's been with me through everything. I'm crying. A little bit of a background story too. As you also know, I built my own tiny house and we're still in the construction phase. So I kept a lot of my belongings in my car. My trunk was so full, and it's a huge trunk, that you couldn't fit anything else in it. My back seat was loaded with like my books and everything the mice got in during that. And I had to take everything out and clean every single item that I owned, basically, because it was in my car. So could you imagine wiping down every single book, every single, you don't know me yet. I mean, in that sense of like, or do you know me? I collect clothing and jewelry and fashion and makeup. Like, I do videos on everything. This is why you guys watch my channel, right? It's a little bit of everything, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of makeup, a little bit of car stuff, a little bit of mechanics, a little bit of cooking, whatever you guys want to see. I had a huge collection of clothing. I had to wash every single item. It was a shit show, okay? That happened this winter, over the winter. Luckily, the weather was a little bit nice this winter and it allowed for like a week. There's a bee on me. He knows what's up, Sammy B. I got my hive with me. No, don't do that again. What the fuck am I talking about? And I have this rule. I detail my car at least once a year completely like with Q-tips. This year I had to detail my car in the winter, and I hate detail. Like, I don't even detail when it gets cold because it's just not even an option for me, but I had to because there was mouse poop in my car. Thank the weather that it was warm enough to be able to detail my car in during this time that it was happening. This useless fucking mouse trap. Like okay, this makes sense, right? They go in, it closes, whatever. Look at this side. You can literally like walk in and come back out if you're a mouse. Like, fuck this trap. I filled it with seeds and peanut butter, put it in my trunk. They didn't touch it. And I was like, well, that's weird. Well, how am I gonna catch them? And I didn't want to kill them because I love all animals, even though they can be assholes and ruin and eat my ladybug slippers. What the fuck's on me? Plan B. Well, I use this like peppermint spray because I heard that they don't like peppermint, but really a smell isn't gonna like deter a mouse, in my opinion. They don't fucking care. This thing, I'll show you a closer version. That is what got the mice, whatever, out of my car. So after a while, you know, after I took everything out of my car, left it out in the snow, cleaned everything, bleached everything, took so fucking long. And now the house is filled with all my shit that, you know, we don't have storage for it yet, so it's just a goddamn mess. Now that I have the mouse problem fixed, the sound things, like there wasn't, like I detailed it, made sure that there was no mouse poo. After a while, yeah, nothing came back, and I was like, sweet. So, dumbass me, I unplugged the mouse things. Well, I just found out on the weekend that they came back. Probably because I still had the mouse trap in the trunk with the food in it. Probably should have done that. Probably should have taken that out. They came back, worse than ever. They started eating my trunk liner, which I'm pissed off about. So now I got the sound things back in my car, so there's that. Bet you didn't guess that for a car update, did you? Thought it'd be just boring old car stuff. No boring shit over here with this YouTube channel, let me tell you. Plans this year for this Solara. Obviously, it depends on cash and money because basic, minimal stuff that I need to do in my car this year. I am going to change over from my winter tires to my summer tires. I actually haven't done a video of me personally doing that, so you guys are in for a good treat. Oil changes, so you can be on the lookout for some videos of that. I will say this, I think I'm pretty lucky that the mice didn't really like eat. Hopefully not anything electrical. I was really worried that they're gonna eat like the electrical under my seats, which would suck. What else? Pretty standard, pretty good condition. The engine's still running absolutely amazing since we've done the overhaul, making sure that the oil's always topped up. You know, I will say this, I don't know if I've said this already, but one thing I learned, read or something, was that you're not supposed to use synthetic oil when you are overhauling and breaking in an engine, because it's too thin, and I don't really exactly remember why. Google it. So if you do use synthetic oil, apparently you will just constantly burn oil like for the rest of your engine's life. And ever since we did the engine overhaul, I found that it was burning oil, and I kept having to top it up, and I'm like, what the fuck, this shouldn't be happening. And then after I read that, I was like, god damn it. So I'm not sure if that's the reason why, but if it is, just don't do it. My bad. I didn't know what I was doing, honestly. It still runs fine. It has so much power. It is absolutely the best engine and vehicle I could ever ask for. Holy fuck, it's low on coolant like a motherfucker. Guess you guys get a little bonus footage of me topping up my coolant. I don't know. That's honestly about it with my car update. Just gonna do basic stuff. Obviously, if other stuff comes up throughout the year, like changing a battery or I don't know, whatever, I'll be sure to film it and let you guys know what I'm up to with my car. But that is it for my 1999 Toyota Solara car update. Ooh, I have some fun news to share with you. I actually made friends with the parts guy when we were doing my engine overhaul, because obviously we were there like every fucking day. We good friends now. And it's actually awesome. It's fucking awesome, because anytime that they have like spare Solara parts or whatever at like the shop, he just lets me know, hey, we have a spare wiper arm, do you want it for free? And I'm like, holy shit, save it. Like, do you know how hard it is to find parts for these things? Like, holy shit, it's insane. Especially where I live. Like, I don't know about you, but like, it's insane. So that is super cool. There's like I think an AC belt that he has sitting waiting for me. Like, it's fucking awesome. So, you know, even though it was like a shit show to rebuild this thing, there are tons of blessings and disguises as well. The rust has been getting extremely bad, and I'm very disappointed in that. Everything I just talked about is kind of like the basic stuff that I'll need to be doing this year. And if for some reason I get rich as fuck this year, these are the things I want to do with my car. I need to replace my windshield. Other things that I would like to do if I had more money, fix that. That is just sad. And I am really good at washing my car. Like, I always get in the trim and shit like that. But, you know, there's just some stuff that you cannot replace. Is that normal? There should be like a tiny little gap like that, or does that mean my shocks are gone? Guys, help me out. I don't fucking know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I also had some problems with my winter tires this winter. They just kept going low. They would not keep pressure. Turns out there was like a bead leak because the shop that did my tires like was a fucking, they were fucking so shitty at it apparently. So I had to replace one. I blew a tire while I was driving it because it like fucking fell off the yeah, it was a fucking shit show. I had to get a new tire, and yeah, so I need to go get another spare. Some fucking asshole hit me when I was parked. So there's like this fucking shit. Wait, there's something else. Oh yeah, there's like a dent right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can kind of see it like right here. I'm so picky with my car because I love it so much. Yeah, it's dirty, but it's been muddy lately. And then this little thing. So I think that happened at the same time. Why do people have to be such fucking assholes? Especially like when you park. This was previously fixed a few years ago, just kind of like a temporary fix, and it's doing amazing. So I'd like to be able to fix my rust like that again. There was like a huge bubble here. Now it's gone. And that was like a long time ago. And then I just got like rust spots all over it, and it's just so disappointing. And then I got this one. This is also a really bad hole in my driver's side door where the rust is. Probably where the fucking mice go in. Just kidding, I don't know where they go in. Here's my engine bay. Yeah, look how fucking low that is. Like, it's been sitting. Is that normal? Can you guys like help me out here? Actually, we should check the oil we should check the oil while we're over here. This is how we do it. It smells burnt. Is it supposed to? Oh my god. What if the mice were... Oh no. The mice were on that rag. Oh boy. Just touched a mouse rag with poop on it. Well, I'm gonna go wash my hands with bleach, and I'll be right back. I'm back. My hand smells like bleach mixed with Bath and Body Works. Checking the oil. Smell it. Oops. Also, don't put your keys there. That is such a bad spot for it. You guys are probably gonna be like, you're doing it wrong, but I'm just being me. That is definitely for a later video. Ooh. Ah! That was a fun day of filming. Now let's take her for a rip.